Okay, so this one, again, principles of equality should do it. Technically, we could do this with several principles of equality here at once because I don't see any addition or subtraction here. It's just a lot of multiplication, a lot of division. But first, I'm going to get rid of that 5. My instincts tell me to do this with cross multiplication, but geez. I'm going to make the common denominator thing, so then I can ignore that 5 denominator, right? So like the m really is just m over 1. So I'm going to multiply that by 5. But if I do it to the denominator, I got to multiply it by the numerator. So this would give me 5m. You could say over 5, but again, we have common denominators. 5 times 1 is 5, and we got the 5 common denominator. And so this would equal the numerator from the right side, 11r squared times h. So this is all in an effort to just solve for r. And actually, we're pretty close. It's just that it's r squared. I'm going to solve first for r squared. And so here, what I would like is to take the r squared and just have it by itself. Okay. What this also means, just the way that this is written, is that I'm going to make the 11 a 1 and the h a 1. Because those are being multiplied, I'm going to have to use the division principle of equality to force those to become 1s. So I'm going to divide there. I'm going to divide 11 by itself, but if I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other side. That would be a 1. And then the h also, divide it by itself, but if you do it to one side, you got to do the other side. So there's a phantom 1 as well. Again, I made these phantom 1s. They're there, by the way, you just can't see them. And now on the left side, I now have 5m over 11h. Last thing here that I want is a r, not r squared. I want it to just be r. How do we get rid of a, yeah, you got it, right? Maybe I'm talking too much, but yeah, you just square root both sides. Square root of a square is just, there's a phantom 1 right there. You just don't have to show it. And then we got the square root of 5m over 11h. Boom.